I'm joined once again with John Percudani from Realmark for some more property tips. How are you, John?
Good, Lisa.
Now, I've been reading in the newspaper lately a lot of downsizing that's happening with the mining industry. Is this affecting the housing market at all?
Look, I don't think it's impacted on the housing market as yet, but no doubt it's affecting overall sentiment into the marketplace.
Yeah.
I think we've got to look beyond that.
Yeah, I mean, especially here in the city, there's a lot of development going on with the new foreshore and the arena at the northern end, so that's all got to be a positive.
Sure, I think as indicative by the construction behind us here, certainly there are sectors of the market that are still very buoyant. And I think if we look beyond the immediacy of today's headlines, I mean, the underlying fundamentals are that we have very low stock levels in the marketplace, the lowest we've had in years. We've got reducing days on market, reducing discounting off selling prices. So the underlying story of the property market is actually quite a positive one, particularly in the right sectors. Not all sectors, but in most sectors there's certainly a very buoyant situation there.
So amidst all the concerns, your take on it is it's all generally quite positive still?
I think we've got to look at the macro. I think if we look, generally speaking, we've got a rising population, we've got a strong economy, we've got big infrastructure projects happening, we've got the government talking about some really key transport issues now, which will have major impact in the urban fabric and development. So to me, the medium and long-term outlook for Perth generally and the property market in particular is a positive story, and I think people should be focusing on that.
Absolutely. Thanks once again for your time.
Pleasure, Lisa.
So if you're looking for the advantage, whether you're buying, selling or renting your property, head to realmark.com.au.